Yeah, I got the maiden voyage of the Pro Angler 12 with my new Minn Kota Endura C2 30-pound thrust Walmart trolling motor. I got my temporary battery setup right there. Battery clamps on there. And my sonar. Oh, I see fish below me. I'm showing my controls. So currently it's in reverse. I'm testing out how well it holds in a windy condition, because we got about a 7-8 mile an hour wind over here. So I'm turning it off, then I'm shutting it down, put it in forward. This is my the joystick here. It controls the steering and speed. So I got it in forward, and here's my throttle, and here we are on our way. And you can see the speed cruising up. So far I've been able to get it up to about 3.7 miles an hour with a tailwind, baby. There we go, 3.7. Yeah, we're cruising along pretty nice. So if I want to go to the left, I just do this. Move the joystick to the left. Go to the right, joystick to the right. Boat's really stable. Like, I was kind of expecting it to be a little tippier. This is a pretty solid kayak to begin with. It's not very tippy. I stand in it in no wind conditions. I can stand up in it pretty confidently, and knock on wood, I've never fallen in. But yeah, it's really stable. I'm 6'2", 200 pounds, and it holds me perfect. Let's take a look at the motor. Here's the setup. Here's my left-hand turn, right-hand turn. Yeah, so far I am digging this. This is a game changer for only costing about $200 on a $400 kayak. I think this is dream kayak here. I don't know. I like to do things on a budget. I like to get away with as much as I can with as little money as possible. And I think I've nailed it on this one. This is cool. Now I can actually troll and fish without having to worry about paddling all the time. Yeah, this is good. This is gonna be a game changer.